Hi, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. I'm at your website and I copied your URL and I put it into a third-party SEO scanner to check your main header tags. Now, your main header tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of the title tag, the metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, your title tag is just right, it's right in the middle, but unfortunately, your meta description is too short. And you have too many H1 tags. Now, that's what Google looks at to rank your company. That's why you're not ranked on page 1 right now. I use a third-party tool to get the daily rankings. It's called SERPTrack.io. You can get a free subscription for 30 days. But I've got you ranked for these keywords on Google: Bakersfield tree trimming, Bakersfield tree service, and Bakersfield tree removal. And unfortunately, you're on page 3 and 4 for these. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1 and I get bids for them. We can help you to get to page 1. We can improve your website. We can get you more business if you could use more business. If you have any questions, please respond to the email. Have a great day.